Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
She applied aloe vera gel on her body part 4 to 5 times per week. The result is very shocking. We all know beauty benefits of aloe vera gel. Generally we all of them use it on our face, but have you ever used this product on vagina? Like other body parts, aloe vera is good for this body part also. Aloe vera contains lots of vitamins including A, C, E, folic acid, choline, B1, B2, B3, niacin, B6, B12, minerals such as zinc, calcium, magnesium, sodium, chromium, selenium, manganese, iron, potassium, copper, around 20 amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. 8 of them being essential for the human body, as well as enzymes, sugars, anthraquinones, hormones, fatty acids, giving aloe vera its unique medicinal properties. The best part of this natural remedy is that it is very easy to use and does not create any mess in your home. This is a natural plant that does not need any complex rules to use. Simply squeeze the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and gently douse it in using your finger. Teas can be done 5 to 6 times a day. If mixed with saliva minutes before application, it is a great lubricant that will make incredible physical benefits. Apart from this, you can also use this gel to treat yeast infections. You can treat your private parts infection naturally with aloe vera, proven to help clear up candidiasis and to prevent recurrences due to its antifungal properties. Moreover, aloe vera rarely causes an irritation. When it does, it is most likely due to additives used in some aloe products and especially creams. Of course, additives won't be a problem with Stockton 100% pure aloe vera gel, which is the raw gel from inside the plant where the healing properties lie. You can treat a body infection by applying aloe externally and by drinking the gel for its antifungal properties. 4 to 6 ounces aloe vera gel daily can help manage candida colonies in the body naturally and to help keep candida in check.